After folding these squares into a closed cube, which red corner would touch the corner marked X? This question asks you to visualize a flattened shape in your mind and manipulate it into a cube all within 14 seconds. Some people find this naturally easy, but if you don't, the best strategy is to practice, both online and even cutting this shape with a piece of paper and trying to fold it into a cube. If you're in the exam and you can't see the answer, the best option is elimination. There are only 5 options, meaning guessing has a 20% success rate and every elimination increases your odds. Looking at the flattened cube, I like to start with the squares touching the square with the X. If the squares are touching but the red corner is not touching the X corner, we can eliminate it as they never will touch. In our case, we can see corners C and E are not touching the X, so we can eliminate them straight away. At this point, if you don't see the answer, it's best to guess. Either option A, B, or D. You have a 33% chance of being right, and you don't lose points for being wrong. But the answer is option D. If we assume the square with the x is the base, so it won't move, then the squares touching it will simply go up and become sides. Square D is the only one that is below square x, which is where the x corner is placed, meaning it's the only one left with a chance of being correct, so it's our best option and we will say square D is our final answer.